Alright, my people. Welcome back to another episode on the Lifestyle Channel. Me and Jabrax there today. Jabrax the back of the camera.
Yeah.
Gemma boss over there, so. We are there. We are just for one giant pan the grill, you know. See what I go on, yeah? Well big. We go file roast that one today. Snapper, you know, my people. No one nothing normal idea, yeah.
Check in with people.
And we also gonna put some chicken pan the grill too. We have a chicken season up on thing already. We don't bring that out yet. But what we are gonna do, we are go ahead and sort out some stuffing for putting other fish because stuff we're gonna stuff him, you know. So see we have the thing them so we're gonna use. We have some scallion, onion, we have okra, a little powder seasoning over here that we're gonna use as well. Some will be all purpose jerk, one rooster noodle. Alright my people, so just
Stay tuned.
watch how we
how
are
I go
dealing
on
over
pan the
here.
grill
So.
you know.
We have you pause. We go ahead and get them something here. Cut up right here for stuffings, you know. And if you never eat the file roast fish yet, you know what? That's well nice, you know. One of them here cut up well fine. And then why not stuff them up with them real good. Nice snapper. Where's your Jabrax? How much you think that away?
Yeah, snapper a good size, you know. Feel like it's a what is it? You know, reach 10 pound.
No, so I think around
Like
7 or 8 pounds.
yeah, not in range.
We have this today.
Nice size snapper, the one you hang off a grill, you know.
Boss, you know, don't have to put 2 slices in them for season soak in them, no kind thick. Yeah, man, my people.
Get the season dice up right away.
Right here in the evening, yeah.
Scallion or some people call it like
Green onion.
Green onion. Yeah. The table rocking out, we can't make it season that way, you know. Set up the table right here.
Table no level, my people. You want balance and alignment. Okay, good on a town and country. Yeah, man. Active. So we have okra them. Everything washed already, you know, my people. Everything fully washed and everything already. I don't know we'll get with thing them.
Prep already, you know.
Prep. My brother say I'm a prep chef, you know. Quick and fast. Them have some okra, brother. Foreign okra them, you know, brother. Them okra can't tough, you know.
Good quality them still. Soft, you know, too brown and
Yeah, man.
green, just right.
Nice and pretty.
Put them up for 5 minutes and then cook.
You can feel it, the texture of them when you take them up, you know. Nice and soft.
People, you want to know good okra. You know good okra, you see them down brown. See them look young and fresh.
Well, nice.
You don't snapper there, wait for the season.
Season him up right, and him well clean up already too, you know, people. Just a wait for touch grill. One Gemma. Gemma, I can light up the grill and now, my father. Alright, now 5 minutes time is a fish already, you know. To go for it, you know.
As the people, everything prepared this week. Yeah.
Real way.
Oh, yo. Look at the stuff about it. Oh.
People are catching them all right over there right now. I'm feeling where I put money.
Put up the gasoline.
Yeah, people. I see your food ready. Gasoline.
Oh, I like gasoline.
No, sir.
Oh, American gasoline.
Alright.
That food, you know?
Okra active and cut up now. See everything cut up now, my people. So I gotta go ahead and drop some jerk seasoning because we'll season up them here now, my people. Good old jerk, yeah. Drop like a Maggi. Funny for Maggi chef them. Like a Maggi all purpose. Like a old beer. Brother, that's half buckle of this earlier.
Wait, that's right. Yeah.
People evidence there.
That's right, baby.
Like a old beer in there.
Evidence upon it, wrong. I know we have to bless the place for a while.
So I want roaster noodle in there as well, my people. Normally we take out the noodle them out of it and just use the dust, but we want everything in it today, man. Listen. Everything are going there today. Keep like oil in it.
With a nice space from that, you know.
Right here. So butter in that. Active. No, I don't want that in it. No. Mixing this, my people. Right here.
This don't need a lot of seasoning, you know, people. So I got the fish flavor we have got for it.
Active. Quick and fast and with stuffing ready. You see that, people? Alright, now stuffing fully ready. Alright, that. Rest that over there stuff now. Now to the fish. Drop him on board, you know. Put couple slices now, you know, because I want him soak good.
Beautiful fishing on the people. Yeah, Jamaica, we have to say swim around, but you know, you go.
Active.
Yeah, take a charge in the fire.
I gotta rub some season on him same way too, you know, people. Can thick, you know, so we have to deal with him right. Some Maggi up in him system.
Say, Maggie take care of all I own them.
Dressing wounds with some Maggi. Dress up the inside to with some Maggi, you know. Yeah, man. Dress him up with some Maggi, well, right. Dress up on my headpiece, same way too, you know, people. Well, nice. I say, bro, go and stay. Mm-hmm. Aku go niya miya. Kaya ba? People so that you know now is not time with him. No.
Yes. Ready to go inside and wrap up.
Mm-hmm.
We're there. We're almost ready. Open up the fire. Balance on the grill.
Bro, I run off the grill, you know.
Okay, we got it there.
I forgot to do some measurement, you know. How him best fit. File paper, you're big, you know, but you're not big, you know. What do you think? No, sir.
No, close. That is a better deal.
So we have to go deal with him.
So we need some custom file paper.
Too big one. This a file paper, the biggest one I can get. No, sir, I can't dip that in there, sir. Active. Mm-hmm. You know one thing? One thing else, cause you know one thing stick up if anything, you know. See, man, know my people. Chicken, you know, sir. Beautiful.
You can just see the flavor upon here now, you know.
Mm-hmm. No, normal, you know.
Right, amount of stuff into it.
Mm-hmm. Why drop on him when I waste nothing? What are some people? Let me look. Active.
People look like we're gonna need more file paper, you know.
Mm-hmm.
What you see, gonna
I'm gonna need more file paper, man.
one, four.
But that here little longer. That here little longer, my people.
Keep on your pocket side and
Mm-hmm. Well, big enough, man. Best roll up file paper there for me. Active. Boy, and people, stay tuned. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Next time y'all see this fish, we gonna be on the grill. Go on. What you say? Where are you now, my father?
anyway. People, we're gonna start with steak.
Just stick on one side, man.
With the steak. Start your butter, bro.
No, man, drop your bottom, so I flip that 2 times and it done, you know. It's a steak pan the grill, my people, but
Put down the chicken wing and all.
hey, it all go up on the top, man. The brogs are chew and so Oh, that leg quarter.
Leg quarter, my
Boy,
people.
your leg quarter, you see how the leg quarter is big. Right now, one of the leg quarter is big like one whole of chicken. You know? You see a factory man making a kind of windy out there, you know, my people. Put that up at top, man.
Watch ya. Up on the top, you know.
You saw what that? Salmon? Mm-mm. See giant there?
Turn up on the video.
Yeah, man. Alright, my people, wanna see what I go on? Next time, wanna see them, you know, man. Them all look real nice. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Get tuned.
Active.
Is it?
Alright, my people. See what I go on, you know, steak, fully cooked. And see that steak, you know, it cook right too, but it not dry. So I get a good eat out of it. So if you eat you and you're not doing no, because if you cool it tough like a board.
Cardboard settings.
Active. Yeah, man. You see my people, no upside steak, steak fully ready, you know, man.
Right, you know.
Right
Like
here.
steak. Well done.
See what I go on the grill, let you know. Show them what I go on the grill, Jarrah.
Chicken.
Chicken almost reach. Fish I go and soak too. You know, fish sticking us people, so we have to make him do him thing, because we don't want a raw fish eat, you know. We don't depend on raw thing, you know. So we make him go and soak and, yeah, man, we are going to mash up the steak, you know. Stay tuned. Next time we are going to see, we are unwrap the chicken. The fish, I mean. Alright, my people, see what I go on, you know. We're fully active and everything done, you know. Chicken.
Right, right.
One juice.
Boil up,
Me a leak, you know, people. Juice there all over. Mm-hmm. Go steam a fly, people. Well, steam, you know. Could active, could man?
extra, right, you know, people.
Extra right. Mm-hmm.
This is what 7 pounder snapper and tail.
Well stuff, well right. What I say, watch a giant, yeah. Alright, my people like that. Stay tuned and watch how I go. I get him cut up and share out. And then we're gonna try him. We'll consume and for the selection. So stay tuned and watch how I go on. Ah. Where's my father? How it go on?
Nice. Can I have 5 papers to try?
We have a big fish in my people. We have to cut him up well nice, you know. Fully active.
A slice fish, people. So I'll put all stuff in and see there, right? This alone, I can't eat this alone. I have a whole life fish flavor, you know.
Well nice. Active. Gemma, what you say? What go on for your fish there?
Bad, 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 bad. Yo,
Active.
me not have to talk. I look on the plate.
One bad. Father, done the fish already, my people.
Hey, hey, give me 2 more minutes and see where I go on. Bad doing.
Sam no have fish over there, so they know my people. Where's my boy? Fish active.
Fish connect.
Fully active.
Connect up.
Alright, my people, so you don't know, you know, that are the choppings. That one for fish. Yeah, man. We have chicken pan the grill and sit now, same way, you know, we're going to mash up later, but we can't too much. So we're gonna go and mash up the fish for now and go on easy. So I go ahead and end the vlog here. Right, yeah, so. So until next time, remember like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Stay safe. We out.